Hello hustlers, in today's digital world, artificial intelligence has become an assistant of every single human that makes our life easy. And in this video, we will explore innovative ways to make money with AI. Not just ways, but I will also tell you how AI will help you in your pre-existing businesses. The ways that I am going to discuss will be very helpful for you in this online world and guarantees you tons of money in 2024. And the last money making method is really awesome, so don't miss that out. If someone is new here, my name is Izhan Khan, and on this channel I share money making ways through online businesses and also make videos on financial education so that you people will not lose money after earning it through hard work. So if you like our videos, then consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So let's get started without wasting a further time, because for hustlers, time is their best asset. But wait, you don't know what an asset really is? Have you seen my last video related to financial education? If not, then go and see that video. I have discussed assets in a great detail. So let's begin this video. So the first way is create and sell stunning frames on Etsy. As you can see here on Etsy, there are too many people selling frames, and you can too. Even if you don't know anything about graphic designing, you can simply use ChatGPT for ideas generation about the design that you will sell. Then you can use Midjourney that will create stunning images like these, and then sell those images either in physical form or a digital form on Etsy. And when someone buys that images, then you will get paid. I have already created a video on other digital products in which I have discussed 5 best digital products and how to create those products with the help of AI. If you haven't seen that video, then go and check out after watching this video. Way number 2 that I am going to discuss is start a blog. Starting a blog before AI was an headache, but nowadays AI made everything simple so that even a naive person can start a blog and can share content there. Let me tell you how to start a blog. First, choose a niche on which you like to create content. Here are few niches that I will suggest to you: finance, investing, and money. You can also choose any niche on your own. Then make a blog website by using Google free service known as Blogger, or if you have some money to invest, then you can use WordPress to create blogs. Then use Google Trend to find trending content for your blog post. As you can see here in Google, an option as Explore. Click here and search for the topic in your niche, and by this it will suggest you multiple trending topics. Now you have to decide on which topic you are interested in writing a blog. Then head over to ChatGPT and give it a prompt to write an article on that topic. Now don't exactly copy and paste that article. Try to grasp the ideas that are provided in that article and then rewrite that article by yourself, because by exactly copying and pasting the article may cause demonetization of your blog. So don't take a risk. After that, ChatGPT will provide an article. It took hardly 1 hour to rewrite your own article from it. Now let's move on. Way number 3, sell ebooks. Don't worry, I'm not saying to write a 200 to 400 pages long ebook. You can also make a 20 to 30 pages long ebook and can sell it on Amazon and Etsy. And even by using AI, half of your work will be done by AI. You can use ChatGPT for research so that you don't need to visit individual website for a topic. Then after researching about any topic, try to collect as much information as you can, and then write your own ebook on the basis of the knowledge you gain from that information. This is time consuming, but trust me, there is nothing that make you rich in a night. Imagine the ebook you wrote become viral on Amazon, then you will earn tons of money, and this is the best way to write an ebook. You can also sell comic books, and for image generation you can use Midjourney, and for content generation you can use ChatGPT, and for editing work you can use Canva. Way number 4 is start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel in the AI world is really simple and easy, because it will automate most of your work and you don't have to work much harder to run a YouTube channel. Here is how AI will help you in running your successful YouTube channel. AI will help you in writing your YouTube video script, and as I said, don't copy the exact script. Try to modify it and make it more attractive and interesting. I have provided a few prompts in description that will help you to generate a best script for your YouTube videos. AI can also assist you in YouTube video SEO. Now you will ask that how? So by using ChatGPT, you can generate titles, description, and keywords for your YouTube videos, and by modifying them a little bit, you can also use them in your own video. So as you can see, now you don't need to buy any expensive SEO tool available on the internet. You can also use ChatGPT for generating tons of videos ideas. Like before ChatGPT, YouTubers were worried about the video topics, but now you can generate multiple ideas by using ChatGPT. I also provide a prompt for this in the description box. box. It's time to discuss way number 5. Start Instagram theme page. If you don't know about theme pages, so these are the pages that focus on a specific topic like money, cricket, motivation, and owners of such pages post in a specific niche that they have chosen, and AI help them in finding content ideas as well as content creation. Yes, there are many AI tools like 11 Labs for voiceover, chatgpt for ideas generation, and Midjourney for image generation. Means the work for that freelancer cost in dollars is now available for free for everyone. For suppose if you want to create an Instagram theme page in a motivational niche, then head over to chatgpt. It will provide you tons of attractive quotes, and then you can create multiple reels and post by using Canva. After reaching 10,000 followers, you can sell affiliates products, dropshipping products, and also get paid for promotion of other pages. This is the best way to earn $100 by just posting a single story or a reel about any brand or page. So don't waste your time in consuming content and start producing your own content. Now let's move on. Way number 5. Become a tutor. This is the best way to earn money with the help of AI, because there are many sites on the internet that allow you to become a teacher of millions of students present on the internet, and I have discussed those websites in my recent video of side hustles. Go and check it out. Here is how this thing works. For suppose if you are any student, don't know about Newton's first law of motion, and consider that you even don't know about that. Now you have to head over to ChatGPT and then give a prompt that states, teach me Newton's first law of motion, and consider that I am an 8-year-old boy. Trust me, ChatGPT will explain you that thing in such a great way so that you can explain that to your student. Is that simple? So by this, you don't need to shuffle multiple books to learn about any complex topic. So are you ready to discuss way number 6? Sell your own customized t-shirt. Yes, in recent days when AI wasn't on internet, only graphic designer were doing this business. But nowadays, even a naive person can do this business without any graphic designing skill. You just need your mind and your computer. So to create a t-shirt design, visit Pinterest to get inspiration from there about different t-shirt ideas, and then you can use Midjourney or any other AI image generation tool that you like and generate images from there for your t-shirt, and then use any image editing site like Canva to remove image background. Now it's time to buy machinery for printing t-shirt. Wait, I am kidding. You can use print on demand sites that are available on the internet, and depending on their charges, you can select the best one for yourself. Now upload your design there and then sell those t-shirts and earn money. Some print on demand websites also print mugs, caps, and hoodies, so you can also do the same and can sell those too. So these are the 6 best ways to make money with AI that I think will work best for you people. Don't forget to tell me in the comments which method you appreciate the most, and also don't forget to watch my recent videos in which I have discussed these all methods in a great detail. And if you like my content, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, because my next video will be on financial education, and that video will definitely help you people to manage the money that you will earn through these sources. So see you in my next video. Till then, keep hustling.